a hail. So our search component now, they work well. The next thing we will need to do now to do the post list based on the design we will get for here. So we get different posts. The approach we will take be say we go first hard code all the values. We go first create the post view before we now create them as a component, come make the data way they go inside them dynamic. So now that approach we could use. So this approach will make us, focus on what we need to focus on. So we could see how it could work. Currently now what we get be this. And we won't do just this part, this post view where they here. So it get title, it get body, and it can't get delete button. So now the component way make up that post view be that. So but we'll first start from the app.js. So we could go inside the code. So for here, what we will first do be say we'll just create div. We'll just create div. Now inside this div we'll go put the post view, and later we'll just carry on from here. We'll go put down for your own component. It get title, so we'll give them h1 or h2. So we'll just say this is a post title. Then it get body, so that one go there inside p tag. This is the body of the post, and then we get another, if you look the design here, they say posted by bio jegede. So you get another paragraph. We go there here, we'll just scroll down and say posted by bio jegede. Okay, then if you look again, it get button, so we'll put that button there. We'll just say button, and for now the name we get for there now delete. So we don't say go get function we go call when they delete, so make we put that function. So when it be on click, for now we just say make it log out for inside console. So when it be on click, we'll put arrow function here, and we just say delete post. Okay, so we don't get on like this. I just format this to make it look nice. Now we'll see how it be for the browser. You see, okay, so now like this it be for the browser. So now one post be that. So if I copy this one now, we'll just go create post component, or will just be post view. So here I'll just create new folder, or call them post view, and inside that post view I'll just do file, will be index.js, and I'll just put down post, where will be arrow function, and for now we just return waiting we copy from the app component, and then we go do export default to this one. So we go import React for here, as we did do from React. Okay, so we get this one now. We'll go back to the app component. So if we delete this one, what we get for here, I'll come put that post here. We don't pass on any props, just as it did. So put that post here, and I go import them from here, and the name now post view. So we could look the browser, we could refresh. You see, we get this is the result we will get before. And if we click this button, you can see say delete post, they log from the browser. So everything they work well. So the next thing we need to do now is say we need to pass all these things. We'll pass all these things as props. All right. So we could just come here, create variable. We'll just say post, and it will be object. So inside that object, we'll just put title. I'll just put title for here. I'll just say this is a title. In short, what we get for that place now, we'll just put for here. Then we'll put body. We'll say this is the body of the title or of the post. Yeah. Then we will get author. We'll put for here, and we'll call this one bio. Jagede. Okay. Then we will give them ID, because the post at the end of the day you go get ID. So we'll just give them 1. I just give them 1 for here. Okay, so we don't get them now. Now how we want to do this post, this one now, if we just collect post as a variable or as a props, or if we just pass them in as props. So we'll give them title. So the title for this one now will be post.title, and then we'll get our body, and this one now will be post.body, and then we'll get author too. We will be this one now will be post.author, and we'll just give them ID. For now, whenever they use the ID for there, but we'll just give them ID. Why not? Okay. Might try to format this thing. Okay, so it is okay now. So we don't get this one now with the pass them in. So we could go where we get our post view, and then we could destruct all the things where we pass inside this component. We give them body, we give them author, and we give them ID. So we could come out this one now with here now. We could replace them with, the title. If I refresh the browser now, we're supposed to get the same result. You see, we still get the same result. Just to be sure, say the thing that come from here, we'll talk say from app. And if I refresh now, it's supposed to give us from app. So then we'll just come here again. We'll collect the body here, and we'll go replace this one with the body. And the author too, we'll just replace this part with the author name. From now, we'll just give them we'll give them key. We'll still remove them. And you will know the pass the function here to log if it is deleted or not. So we could do that one self. So for here, we could just create one new function. We'll say on post delete. It could just be arrow function, where we will just log the ID of the post where they want Moku delete. So we'll log them for here. So we'll pass on post delete to post as a props. Alright. So if we come here now, we'll pass them to here. And for inside this function where we log delete post, we'll just invoke that on post delete, and we'll go pass on the ID where they give us for here. So we'll know which post they will delete. You see, with this now, I think say our post view done already ready. So we'll just try them out for the browser. So if I refresh now and I delete this one, you see one they come here. So it determines in our post the ID now 1. So now waiting will tell us which post to come out from inside the state with this. We'll just do the styling now. We import styled component from styled component, and we'll just come here, say we need a wrapper. Sorry, the wrapper equals to styled, or it will be div. Then what we want to do, this wrapper, we'll just replace this guy with the wrapper, and this one too could be the wrapper. Then what we want to put inside, just basic styling. We'll give them border for example 1 pixels, solid, and CC. Then if you give them border radius, we would go do the rest for inside the browser. Okay, if I refresh now, we don't get this one. So I fit come here, I go just inspect. So I make sure I select this one here. We'll give a border radius of 8 pixels. Yeah, don't give a corner for here. And then we'll just give them padding. We'll give them padding. The one we go there for top could be 8 pixels, and the left and right could be 16. So top and bottom could be 8. So now we will get that. Then if we won't join anything, if we just give our margin, then 16 for top and bottom, and for left it could be nothing. All right. So I will just copy this one now. I'll carry on go inside the code. So, and then we could refresh the browser. Yeah, we get our post. So our post done there, and they come from the app component, and they come dynamically. And I remember how we do them. First, we had code those value, then we copy them, make them a component, then later we pass them those props. With this, it's very easy for us to get our head around, what we need to do at the point where we need to do them. So I hope you gain something for this video. If you get any question, you fit comment on this video. If you like the video, and if you never subscribe to the channel, if you subscribe so that anytime where I post new video, YouTube will notify you. I hail. Later.